your boards really flat. Okay, so you're to the line of demarcation. So now I'd like you to add more of that vermilion orange into your palettes, okay, quickly, because we want to create a bleed. And the bleed is going to be between this color and this color. So meaning put some of that into this, a little bit at the bottom, and it'll bleed the color. Good, nice bleed, good job. You could do yours a bit more, maybe a little darker, I think. Yeah, good, so keep going downwards, although you're staying on the horizontal, right? Nice, keep it flat, good. Okay, go, go, go. There goes Gwen. Push it, push it. Okay, here goes Bowden. First drips of the day. Yes, indeed. This is the slow one, right? You might want to put a little more watery stuff in there to make it drip. Okay, we're doing our vertical columns with the rose being integrated with our vermilion orange. Go. Nice, don't you think? So we're creating our purples now to create the shadows. Next, you'll want to put rose into it. So you don't need to dunk or into that rose color, and start adding it till it's the deep purple that you want. Deep, yeah, I wouldn't go any darker than that, Bowden. Yeah. So now we're moving into slightly dry brush. So I'm going to show you a block method right now. That's what it's called. We're doing these really dark shadows, and it's kind of a block method. And we started just below the dome there, and we're moving to the left where they get skinnier and skinnier, but they want to remain dark. And I think there's some spaces, if you look, Bowden, spaces between them left and right. Good. Now we're going to work on some shadows that will be crevices, so now we're going vertical. Now we're doing our horizontal shadows. Jabba the Hutt, which is the only curved one, and the others are all straight across. And you can see that it's really heavy shadow just to the right of the shadow. So as you're moving your shadows off to the right, you want them to be a bit lighter. You see here. Here we go. Purple drips coming up. Here he goes. There goes Bowden. Woohoo! Harder, push it. Yeah. Okay, here goes Gwen, dripping her purples. Woo! Look at the contrast. Nice one. Come on, Gwen. Let me look at you. Hi, girl. Hi. Now we're doing dry brush, and we're doing our shrubbery. Shrubbery. There we go. So yeah, we're getting ready for our green drips. So we're putting a bunch of green and water into our small palette. Place some green between our drips, and we'll drip again. Ready? Okay, who's gonna go first here? I gotta video you while you're going. Oh, it's Bowden first. Go, go, go. Get those green drips going. Okay. Now, Grandma. Go for it, Grandma. There they go. Wow.
Thank you, Mother.
So we did our fat lines on the right, and we're doing our thin lines on the tops and lefts. Not touching our shrubbery. Squiggles in action. We're doing our striations now, nice and craggy. No waves. crevices, so verticals. First splats of the day. Go for it. Push it.
How do I do it?
Underneath with your index finger. Pull. There you go. There you go. It'll happen. Just stay with it. Stay with it. Good, Gwen. Go up into your mountains. You may need more. Oh, you got quite a bit going there, don't you? You got a lot of paint on there. So you want to hold it like an inch from your paper there, Bowden. There you go. Now it's happening, isn't it? Okay, make it go up even higher into your mountain. Okay, we're going for the switch in colors.
Okay, here's the purple one for you.
Okay, switching out. There we go. Nice job. Okay. Bowden's going for his purple ones now. Oh, nice splats. Look at that. Yeah. Gwen goes for her green splats. Closer to the paper. There you go. All right, go. Bowden goes for the signature.